Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a like icy blue makeup tutorial. I was wearing this look in my last video that I posted, my giveaway video, so if you haven't checked that out then definitely you should, because I'm doing a giveaway here on my channel, so I will link it in the description. But yeah, I really like the look that I was wearing in that video, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's just get right on into it. So for the eyes, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights So Jaded palette. So the first shade that I'm gonna go into is this shade right here called Aquamarine, and I'm just gonna use my finger and put that pretty much all over the lid, like my lid up into my crease and everywhere. Okay, so for this next part, if you don't feel comfortable using this shade, then you definitely don't have to, but I'm gonna go into the pressed glitter called Opal. Now, with all of the glitters that ColourPop puts in their palettes and just all glitters in general, they're not like usually safe for the eye area, just because it is glitter and it can damage your eye if it like gets in your eye and all that. So if you do use them, just be really careful, and like I said, if you don't feel comfortable using the glitter, you definitely don't have to, but that's the shade that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to take it on my finger again, a very small amount, like that much, and I'm just going to tap it all over the lid. I do want to just mention that the Aquamarine shade in the Opal pressed glitter shade, it does have quite a bit of fallout. I don't know if you can see, I just kind of have some like sparkles all over my face. So if you're going to recreate this and that bothers you, then definitely just do your eyes first before you do like your foundation and stuff, but it honestly doesn't really bother me that much. So now I'm gonna go into the shade Sapphire, this really pretty like deep blue shade, and I'm just going to smudge that on my lower lash line. I'm only taking like a tiny bit because the shade is really pigmented. Okay, so I'm just going to take that same Sapphire shade that I just used on my lower lash line and smudge it at the very base of my lashes on the top, kind of like a smoked out liner, but I'm not going to do a wing. Okay, so I just went ahead and applied the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in the shade DTLA on my waterline. It's just a really super like deep navy blue. It's almost like kind of the same shade as the Sapphire shade in the palette. It's just a really pretty deep blue. So now for the fun part of this look, I'm going to be using the ColourPop blue mascara. Now I will be putting on some falsies just because my natural lashes just aren't the best, so I'm going to apply the mascara and then put the falsies on, and then I'm going to put the blue mascara like over my lashes and the false lashes, just so the false lashes look more blue than black. And I'm also going to put this on my lower lash line. So the lashes that I'm going to use are from Ardell, and they're the natural lashes in the style 174. They do have like blue on them already because I did this look yesterday and I didn't film it, which I should have when I first did this look, but that's okay. I'm just gonna be wearing it for a second day in a row. But yeah, I'm just gonna go apply the blue mascara and the lashes off camera just to save some time, and then I will be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on. I know the lighting got kind of bright. It just got a little sunny outside for a little bit, but if you're curious, for my bronzer, I use the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer, and then I use the e.l.f. Always Cheeky Primer Infused Blush, and then for my highlight, I use this liquid highlighter from Pacifica in the shade Nebula. It's a really pretty, it has a really pretty like blue iridescent shift to it. I don't know how well you can like tell on camera. It just has that really pretty like blue reflect to it. It is so pretty. I'm super obsessed with this highlight, even though I know it's like not a usual color, but it's just, it has that really pretty blue reflect and I really like it with this look. So now I'm gonna go into the shade Pearl in the palette and use that as my inner corner and brow bone highlight. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just used the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Avi and then the ColourPop Matte X Lippy Stick in the shade Crack Me Up for my lips. This is the completed eye look. It is so pretty and I just feel like the blue mascara really adds a nice pop to it. I had this look idea in my head like quite a few days ago and I feel like it looks really, really cool. I just love the sparkle on the lids and then just the smoky blue lash line with the blue lashes. I just think it looks really, really cool and I also just love the blue highlight with it. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really, really love how this look turned out. Like I said, I had this look in my head and I feel like it looks pretty much exactly how I thought it would. I just think it looks really, really cool. I really love the blue mascara. Now, if you don't want to put the blue mascara on like your top lashes, you could definitely just put it on your lower lashes and it'll still look really, really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love this look, and if you want to see more like holiday Christmas themed type looks, then definitely let me know in the comments and don't forget to enter my giveaway on my last video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and I will see you in my next video.